Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Let's discuss the project about Co-Transduction for saved retrieval. This paper provides a different way of using similarity or distance matrix through a semi-supervised learning framework, namely Co-Transduction. The user input is a query shape and our system returns the most similar shapes by effective integrating two distance metrics computed by different algorithms. Example, shape context and inner distance shape context. Our approach is inspired by the co-training algorithm. The difference, however, is that in co-training, it requires having two conditionally independent views of the data samples. In our problem, each data only has one view, but different algorithms report measures by exploring different aspects of the data. Therefore, they may lead to different retrieval results for the same query, which can be mutual. Our algorithm did not improve the retrieval rates on labeled face in the wild. LFW is a very challenging dataset for face recognition. We will overcome this drawback in our proposed work. So we are taking the LFW dataset and applying some enhancement, like in distance metrics we are using LBP and shift features and getting the best results from this co-transduction for the LFW dataset. Now let us have a view on the data flow diagram. First we load our LFW data face database. Contains various persons' face images, and the faces in it show a big variety of lighting, pose and appearance and etc. And the next one is pre-processing. In the pre-processing step, if any noise occurred in our input images, that are removed. Noise is nothing but any undesired information that contaminates an image. These noises are removed using some types of filters. Here we are using median filter to remove the noises. And the next step is LBP and shift features are extracted for all in our database images, and then construct the feature matrix. And like that, our test, we load our test data, any one of the LFW dataset image, and then pre-processing step, the noises are removed also here, and then LBP and shift feature are extracted for the test image, and then construct the feature vector and match it here. Most of the images are matched, and finally retrieve the very accurate results. Now let us see the execution of the program. First we select main.m file and click run file. This is a MATLAB guide window designed for co-transduction for face retrieval. First we load our input image in our dataset, in our LFW dataset that contains various human faces. That is our trained data with various expressions and illuminations and various poses. Each folder contains various persons. Process is going on. The LBB and shift features are extracted for all the images in our dataset and arranged it in that matrix. Like that, our test image also extracting features, LBP and shift features, and compared to this one, features are extracted and arranged in matrix format. And then this is our test data. This is our test data. We can select any one of this. Now I select this. Next is salt and pepper noise. Next step is removing the noises, median filter, and the LBP features are extracted. This is the LBP feature for this input image, and the next is shift features are extracted. This is the shift features are extracted, and next shape context and inner distance shape context distance metrics are calculated and arranged here. And the final one is the retrieval result. These are the relevant images belonging to that input image. These are the relevant images for this input image. These are the relevant images. Then our co-transduction performs successful one. For the we are also overcome the drawback of the LFW dataset. Thank you.